What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to give you more examples regarding dividing square roots. The first example is square root of 128 divided by square root of 72. Answer is 128 is 2 times 64. 72 is 2 times 36. These two cancel out. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 36 is 6. 8 divided by 6 is 4 divided by 3. Next example is square root of 48 divided by square root of 75 is 3 times root 16, then 3 times root 25. These two cancel out. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 25 is 5. Next example, it is square root of 8 x to the power of 6 divided by square root of 2 x to the power of 2. The answer is it's going to be square root of 8 divided by 4. 2 is going to be 4. And then square root of x to the power of 6 divided by x to the power of 2 is going to be x to the power of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 2. Next example is square root of 200m to the power of 5 divided by square root of 98m. Answer is 200 is 2 times 100. 98 is 2 times 49 times m. 2 and 2 cancel out. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of m to the power of 5 divided by m is square root of m to the power of 4, which is going to be 10m squared divided by 7. Next example, we have square root of 10y cubed divided by 5y. It's going to be square root of 2 square root of y squared. It's going to be square root of 2 times y, or y root 2. Next example is square root of 108 y to the power of 7 divided by square root of 243 y to the power of 3. The answer is, this one is 3 times 36 y to the power of 7. 243 is square root of 3 times 81 times square root of y to the power of 3. These two cancel out. It will be 6 divided by 9. Square root of y to the power of 7 divided by y to the power of 3 is y to the power of 4. Then it will be 2 over 3 y to the power of 2, or 2y squared divided by 3. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.